So we're on a maintenance job. We did this job about 8 or 9 years ago, and basically there are a couple of loose slabs because obviously it was pre-slurry days back then. So there's not many. There's only about I don't know, 3 or 4 on the main patio, but we got to clean it all off. And as you can see, we used Payfix Plus on this. They've never jet washed it, although they do keep it clean with like a patio magic or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna clean it all off, flowpoint it, replace a couple of the loose slabs, rebed them down. There's a circle down there. There we are. There's a couple loose down there as well. That's the circle we did at the top there with the brickwork. Looks really nice. So yeah, we'll show you what it looks like at the end when we finish. And we are doing pavia path, so we've already started ripping up this path. The path's coming out, and the maestro himself, Jay, is underway with this. Jay, you all right, Jay?
Yeah, we're good.
And Frey's doing it as well. Happy birthday, 21st birthday yesterday, Frey, wasn't it?
Yeah, man.
So happy birthday. So what we did, look, we cleaned this patio off with a jet wash. We've taken all the joints out as best we possibly can, as deep as we possibly can. So what's that? That's about how much? So it's about 25-30 mil deep on the majority of them. And then we've got flowpoint, which is great for Indian sandstone. Flowpoint. Fraser's over there now, just cracking on with that. And then I got the new maestro himself, Jay. Jay is there mixing the flowpoint up. Go on in, Jay. Show him your little your handiwork. You can't eat it, mind, mate.
Yeah. I've already tried.
He's already tried. So what was it? 4.25 litres of water per full bag of flowpoint. And if you want to add a little bit more yourself, just to make it a little bit better with the consistency, if it's hot weather, great. Now with flowpoint, if it's cold, it's about 8 degrees today, it'll take longer to set. If you're working with it and you're in the summer and it's 20, 25, 30 degrees, it'll set like a bloody lunatic. It'll really set quick in hot weather, so you've got to be mindful of the weather conditions to use flowpoint. So hopefully that puts you in good stead if you're a DIYer and you want to do yours. So we'll crack on, and what we'll do, we won't bore you with a time lapse, we'll just show you what it's like when it's finished. This patio on the back now then, this job done, and to be honest, I can't get over how well it's come up. I mean, it's like eight and a half years old or whatever. We did this 8.5 years ago. It's come up really well. So what I'll do is I'll switch the camera around and I'll show you how it's turned out, see what you think about it. So there we go, here's the guided tour. So this is an Indian sandstone, fossil mint, that's what it was called, fossil mint, because you get all them fossils like that in it. And there's another one here, look, you get all the fossils in it, hence fossil mint. So this is the circle we did. So it's come up really nice. And I think if anyone is out there thinking, I don't want Indian sandstone anymore because porcelain is the one, for obvious reasons, don't, you know, let Indian sandstone slip, because, you know, they've never jet washed it, and they've kept it clean with like a bleach and some other patio cleaning products, and they have just done, that's all they've done with it, is just done that. And then we've just come in, jet washed it, repointed it, relayed a couple of loose slabs, and I can't get over, I mean, it's nearly as good as the day we've laid it. So if you're thinking, I'm not having Indian sandstone because it's hard to keep clean and it won't last, then this is proof that it does last if you just put a little bit of effort into it, a little bit of maintenance into it, and you look after it. And that's that area that we did down there. There we are, that's all been repointed as well. It's another circle down there, and that gets absolutely soaked down there, so customer tells us, but it's lovely, isn't it? Really nice. So we've done a little paving job down the front as well, so I'll show you this now. It's Tobermoor historic paving. They're like different size slabs, 50 mil thick. You're supposed to lay them on sand and just joint them with like a brushing compound, but we laid them on sand and cement and flow pointed it. There you go. So we've done this paving out the front. I'll show you it. I'll show you a close up now. So that's the Tobermoor historic paving with the flow point, and we put 2 ton of topsoil in here and blended it in to the bottom section. There was existing down here as well, and put some new nice top quality turf in. So yeah, looks really nice. Put a little curve on it. Happy days. If you could like, comment, subscribe and give us a like, that'd be absolutely fantastic for us. Next job is a big job, lots of curved brick walls, curb steps, and then we've got an Indian sandstone patio with a Marshall's product. So enjoy your weekend, take care, see you soon.